Welcome to NCS Academy. Need biology questions, previous year question papers from biological classification. Your first question. Five kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whittaker is not based on mode of reproduction. So right answer is mode of reproduction. Second question. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group. The right answer is Monera. Monera is the right answer. Next, third question. In the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in for this right answer Protista. Next question. In which kingdom would you classify the archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms if the five kingdom system of classification is used? For this question, the right answer is Monera. Monera is the right answer. Next question. In five kingdom system, the main basis of classification is mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition is the right answer. Next question. In the five kingdom system of classification, which single kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria? For this right answer, Monera. Monera is the right answer for sixth question. Next question. PGA, blue-green algae, are included in which of the following group? Right answer is prokaryotes. Blue-green algae are prokaryotes. Next question. An important criterion for modern day classification is an anatomical and physiological traits. Next question. Match the organisms in column A with the habits in column 2. Among this, which is the right answer here means that is A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? In which is the right answer for this question is Archaebacteria. This is the right answer. Next question. Which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plant as well as animal, and can survive without oxygen? For this, the best answer is Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following components provide sticky character to the bacterial cell? For this right answer is glycocalyx. This is the right answer. Next question. DNA replication in bacteria occurs. The right answer for this question is this is the right answer. Prior to fission. Next question. Methanogenes belongs to which category? Best example for this methanogenes belongs to Archaebacteria. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the protection of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals includes, for this right answer, methanogens. These are the right answer. Next question. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in which characters? Here, the cell membrane structure. This is a differential character. Next question. Which of the following are likely to be present deep sea water? Deep sea water. Which is the best answer for this means the Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria is the right answer for this. Next, pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria are. Pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria are chromatophores. So this is the right answer. Chromatophores. Next question. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as blue-green algae. This is the right answer. PGA. Next question. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to human in making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as. Among these, which is the right answer? That is heterotrophic bacteria. Next question. In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is eukaryotic cell. Here, the right answer is plasma membrane. Right answer. Next question. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic conditions habitats belongs to two groups. For this right answer is eubacteria and archaea. Next question. Select the correct combination of the statement regarding the characteristics of certain organisms. For this right option,